We are using these designs, explore the more and more options to find and create a new structure here. Let's make the changes around it. So there it is. We will explore the options, create a new structure here. Let's take a design. Here are some further shapes as well. So there we will find the different options. Thank you for watching our video. So I will use the eraser tool as well. So that's it.